In this video, I'll show you how to add a YouTube link to a Facebook post step by step. Sharing a YouTube video on Facebook is a simple way to drive more views and let your audience watch your content. First, open the YouTube app or website and find the video you want to share. Tap the Share button, then select Copy Link to copy the video's URL. Next, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap What's on your mind to create a new post. Press and hold in the text box, then tap Paste to insert the YouTube link. Wait a few seconds while Facebook automatically generates a preview of the video. Once the preview appears, you can write a caption above the link to tell your audience what the video is about or encourage them to watch it. Review your post to make sure the preview loads correctly. When everything looks good, tap Post to publish it on your timeline, page, or in a Facebook group. Your followers can tap the preview or link to watch the video on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.